Welcome to physics. The next part of our texting and driving lab activity that we're doing is all around reaction time. We just finished what we called the distracted time. We introduced the activity and then called distracted time the amount of time it takes for you to pick up your phone, read a text, respond to a text, and put your phone back down. So that is our distraction time. Now we want to think about the reaction. So, for our purposes, reaction time is the amount of time a person takes to respond to a danger. That could be a person is in the street, a stop sign is coming up, and they're not kind of ready for it. Maybe a signal turns red. Okay. So, all these things could be a danger if you don't stop, right? So in this scenario, it is the amount of time between the driver seeing a person and moving their foot to hit the brakes. Okay, so that reaction, you see the danger, then you react to the danger and physically have to do something to respond to that danger. So that's our reaction. So as we continue our research and this scenario, we also need to collect data on this average reaction time. So to do that, I have a couple games for us. And this first game is called Cards of Distractibility. So you follow this link and you learn about distractions on the road. And then there's some questions from this activity. So if I do Cards of Distractibility, this is it. Let's test your skills. So you're going to get a text message. Okay, you're supposed to try and reply. Okay, how's it going? You're also supposed to try and look at these street signs while you're responding to the text. For some reason, the app's not working right now, but in some cases, you're allowed to type back to this computer. But again, trying to pay attention to these signs. Can I remember all of them as I'm driving? All right, time's up. Then it's going to have you take a little quiz. Okay, which one of these were signs that you saw? So you can kind of click through them, send answer, 11 out of 15. There you go. Okay, and then again, a little bit that I would encourage you to read some statistics, and one of these is going to be something you need to answer. So you might need to come back to it if you don't pick it out. So what was your score? I got 11 out of 15. Okay. How many states ban texting and driving? I saw that here. Okay, so that's my answer here, and that's multiple choice for you. Then, game number 2. Now play the game to see how distracted driving might impact your reaction time. So here are the directions. You're going to play the game on easy mode and answer questions 3 and 4. Then you're going to play the game again on hard mode and answer questions 5 and 6. So click here to play the game. I'll just demonstrate it once. Driven to distraction. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start the game. It's on easy mode. Again, then I want you to select it on hard mode after you've done easy mode. So I go ahead and start. I'm looking for the stop sign to pop up. Driving. Oh, there it is. Okay, so they've recorded how quickly I responded to that stop sign. Now I'm getting this text message. How will your overall stopping distance be affected in heavy rain? I want you to read these and I want you to try and respond to these answers. So as you're taking that little quiz, you then got to respond. So it says I was 0.43 seconds slower using the phone. Okay, and it even tells me how many meters longer to that stop. But I'm just interested in the time, so I took 0.436 seconds longer to react. How much further would I go? It said about 6 meters. And now you're going to do it again on hard mode. Okay, and again, there's no point in cheating. I really want you to participate in the activity to see what the difference is when you're reading those text messages. Next, I want us to read this article. Okay, I haven't asked us to do a whole lot of reading, but you're going to do this reading and answer two questions. Okay, so if you open this link, it's going to bring us to this little article. Okay, and here you go. You read about a study that was conducted about texting and driving. Okay, so kind of very similar uh, to what we are kind of thinking about here, but they actually conducted a study and had participants and so forth. So you read that article, answer these two questions. Okay, and you should be able to find the answer right in the article. And last but not least is our data collection. So similar to the distraction time, I'm going to have you collect data on your reaction time. So here's another app, if you will, or it's kind of a game. So when the box turns green, click as quickly as you can and click anywhere to start. And it's simply going to calculate your reaction time. So you want to open that. And you also want to open the data collection template for you. So I've got this data collection template. Again, it's going to open up. You have a table. So this is going to be when you're alert. So you're going to do the activity 10 times, which won't take very long, while you're really focused. Then you're going to do the activity 10 times while you're distracted. And for that, I want you to be on your phone. Okay. And so in this case, you can be on Instagram. Okay. So I kind of have that here. Okay. While you're alert, but then distracted. So you can be on Instagram, you can be texting friends, you can be watching YouTube videos, whatever you would normally do on your phone, just using your phone while using this app. Okay, so again, I've got this. This is what it would look like. It's going to create a little table for me. Here's the reaction time. I click it to start, waiting for the green. Ooh, I got it. 2.88 or 288 milliseconds. So 288 milliseconds is 0.288 seconds. Okay, so then that, and it might round it for you and everything, but then you're going to see it go in the chart. So then I'm going to do it again. Ooh, I beat it. Woo! 224.224. Okay, because again, that's milliseconds. It is. And you're going to see that the reaction time while alert is going to be blue. So now, I'm just going to demo one while I'm distracted. I'm on my phone. Going to check my email. Oh, 665. So this is 0.665. There you go, and you're going to see the red reaction time go into there. And again, there's no point in cheating. I want you to genuinely be into your phone and thinking about your phone. And then when you see that screen change, you click in. So you're also going to get your average time alert and average time distracted for your reaction times down here. Okay, and these numbers will be more accurate as you complete all 10 of your trials. Similar to last time, I want you to insert a picture of your graph and then answer a couple questions based on your data. Okay, good luck and let me know if you have questions.